Good morning, this is Jay. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create a circle view chart. The persons who have no idea about what is a circle view chart, Tableau gives this circle view chart which is available in the default map selection, the chart selections. Look at it here, we got something called circle views. The next one is side by side circle, simple as that. Kind of like selection comes in. So look at it here, it demands one or more dimension and one or more measure, simple as that. If that is the case, let's start with here one or more dimension and one or more measure. Let me use profit and then let me use any scenario. Let's take a ship more. Cool. Now look at it here, the circle view chart is available now. I just click that. Look at it here, it produces 4 different charts based on the ship mode, because the ship mode is basically of 4 different ship mode comes in, we get the 4 different mode and then the 4 different values of it. Now the profit is been like highly commanding from the 4th one, which is basically the standard class. This is fine, but ideally this inference is not making much of a difference. It's kind of creating a bar chart and then says which one is having a highest profit within all 4. But the idea of circle chart is that you can still change the shapes that you wanted to have. Either you can choose whatever the selection that you're making, accordingly it been getting different scenarios. You give the shape, ideally like it has been like, okay, I would choose shape. It will be a 4 different shape for 4 different, be not making much sense. Let it be, because I don't want to go for it. I would go for a simple circle charts. Cool. It's a filled one now. Now if I go with, let me take one more category. I have used category, nope, I would take category, put it into columns. Look at it here, in this specific column, maybe like I would go for a simple filled circle. This is making bit for better inference, I guess. Look at it here, technology making a high profit with standard class, simple as that. Like basically technology, office supplies and furniture, all 3 the standard class is actually making a better profit comparing with the other. But the scenario is reverse in office supplies. But look at it here, office supplies second class is making a second profit and then the first class is making the 3rd level profit. But in technology, the first class is actually making a second profit and then the other one second class is making the 3rd level profit. So this kind of insights making a better sense, because think of it like technology, most of the time the corporate purchase comes into play, like B2B, so that the first class comes in is been actually performing better than the second class, simple as that. But in office supplies, basically the supply chain comes in, the second class is performing better than the first class. So this kind of insights is getting generated here. Cool. So this is what an idea of it. Maybe if you want a better inference, you can choose it. Maybe you can choose wisely, like whether the size is been fine or not. You can reduce it if you wanted to have, and then you can still choose, let it be a size here. If you choose size, color, whatever that you wanted to have, accordingly it's been like giving a better inference for you. Cool. Then so this is what a basic idea of creating circle view charts. Basically you can give it a try for circle view side by side. Cool. Then thanks for watching, see you in the next video.